Hello students, good morning. Today we will do the next topic, approximation. As you know, the meaning of approximation means you have to find the approximate value of any function, right? Approximate value of any function. So let us start with the topic, right? So let y is equal to f of x. Let this is a function. Now give increment to this. So we have y plus delta y. It is equal to f of x plus delta x. Right? What is delta y and delta x here? Delta y and delta x, it is a small change in x and y. Right? Small change in x and y. Right? Now when you subtract these two, we get delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Right? इस इक्वेशन में से इसको माइनस किया तो y कट गया, डेल्टा y आपके पास इतना आ गया. नाउ देयरफॉर वी गेट f ऑफ x प्लस डेल्टा x दैट इज इक्वल टू, इस fx को लेफ्ट साइड में ले जाओ, fx प्लस डेल्टा y. Right? As you know the approximation means this f of x plus delta x, it is approximately equal to fx as it is plus, now note this, delta y you can write this as dy over dx into delta x, where this dy is similar to delta y and dx is similar to delta x, right? So we can use this approximation, right? So now we have f of x plus delta x is equivalent to fx plus, now this dy by dx you can write this as f dash x, right? And this is into delta x, right? So this is the formula which we will use to solve some questions of approximation, that how to find the approximate value of any function fx. So you should remember this function, this formula, right? This formula is f of x plus delta x is equivalent to fx plus f dash x into delta x. So always remember this formula. On the basis of this formula we can solve the questions, right? Okay, let us take example number 21, right? The example number 21 is use differentials to approximate root 36.6, right? Let us solve this. How to find? So before solving these type of questions, you have to know that this is a function, this is a square root function. So you have to take, let fx is equal to root of x, right? इस फंक्शन, इस क्वेश्चन को देखते हुए हमने फंक्शन चूज करना है. सो हमने चूज किया है fx इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x, राइट? नाउ this, what is the derivative of this? What is the value of f dash x? It is 1 upon 2 root x, right? So this is the derivative of this function. Now we have to break this 36.6 as, let x is equal to 36 and delta x is equal to 0.6. Why I am taking this? Because the sum of these two, it is 36.6, x plus delta x. Now you know the formula as we discussed. X plus delta x is equal to fx plus f dash x into delta x, right? Now put the values of x and delta x in this formula. We have 36 plus 0.6, it is equal to f of 36 plus f dash 36 into 0.6, right? Now what is this? This is f of 36.6, and what is this f of 36? F of 36, you have to put x equal to 36 here, so this is square root of 36. And what is f dash 36? You can put here, we get 1 over 2 root 36 into 0.6, right? So its value is f of 36.6 is root 36.6. Its answer is 6. This is 1 over 12 into 6 by 10. So this is 620. So this is 6 plus 1 over 20, 1 over 20, that is equal to 6 plus, this is 0.05, 0.05. So when you add these two, you will get the answer 6.05. This is the right answer, that is the value of 36.6. so this is the right answer. Now let us take the next example, example number 22. Use differentials to approximate 25 raised to the power 1 by 3. Let us solve this question. As we know, this function is power 1 by 3. So let us take fx is equal to x raised to the power 1 by 3. You have to take this function, consider this function according to the question, right? Now find the derivative. F dash x is equal to 1 by 3 x raised to the power minus 2 by 3, right? This is equal to 1 upon 3 into x power 2 by 3, right? So this is the derivative. Now as in previous question, we break this, that its perfect cube root, its perfect cube root is 27. So consider x as 27 and delta x as minus 2. Why this is minus 2? Because the sum of these two should be 25, right? So now we have the formula fx plus delta x. Again it is equal to fx plus f dash x into delta x, right? Now put the values of x and delta x here. We have, this is 27 minus 2 raised, this is equal to, this is f of 27 plus f dash 27 into minus 2. Clear? Now this is f of 25 and this is f of 27, that is 27 raised to the power 1 by 3, and this is plus, this put the value here, 1 over 3 into 27 raised to the power 2 by 3 into minus 2. Now its answer is 3. As you know, its answer is 27 raised to power 2 by 3 is 3 raised to power 2, that is 9. 9 into 3, that is 27 into minus 2. Now when you simplify this, this becomes 3 minus 2 over 27, right? So when we simplify this, we get 81 minus 2 upon 27. So this is 79 over 27. Is it 79? Yes, this is 79 over 27. When you simplify this, when you find the value, this, it is approximately 2.92, right? So you can write this as approximate value. So its value is 25 raised to the power 1 by 3. So the approximate value of 25 raised to the power 1 by 3, it is 2.92, right? Now example number 23. Find the approximate value of f of 3.02 where fx is equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 3. Right? You have to find the approximate value of this function. Right? Now let us solve this question. As we have fx equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 3. So what is the derivative of this function? F dash x equal to 6x plus 5, right? Its derivative is 6x plus 5. Now let us break this as x and delta x again. Let x equal to 3 and delta x equal to 0.02, right? 0.02, so that their sum is 3.02. Now we have the formula f of x plus delta x, that is equal to fx, again I am writing that formula, fx plus f dash x into delta x. So when you put the values of x and delta x here, this is 3 plus 0.02, it is equal to f of 3 plus f of f dash 3 into 0.02. So this is f of 3.02, and which is f of 3. F of 3 means you have to put the value of 3 here. So we have 3 into 3 square plus 5 into 3 plus 3. This is the value of f of 3, and this is plus, this plus f dash 3. F dash 3 means this is 6 into 3 plus 5 into 0.02. Here it is 0.02, right? Now you can multiply this. This is 27 plus 3, 30. 30 plus 15, that is 45 plus, and this is 18 plus 5, it is 23 into 0.02. So when you multiply this, we get, this is 0.46, and when we add this, we have 45.46. So this is the approximate value of f of 3.02, that is 45.46. Okay, next example number 24. Find the approximate change in volume of cube of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 2%. Right? You have to find the approximate change in volume of cube. So as you know, the volume of cube is x cube. Right? As x is the side. Now you have to find here delta V, approximate change in volume. You have to find delta V here. So firstly we differentiate it with respect to x, right? So what is the differentiation? This is 3x square, right? And it is given that change in x means this side x caused by increasing, it is increasing by 2%. So delta x is 2%, means 2 upon 100x, right? So this is the change in x, that is delta x. So this is given to you, delta x is given, delta v you have to find. Now as we know, delta v is approximately equal to dv. Now multiplying and dividing it by dx, so into delta x, you can write this as d delta v is equivalent to dv over dx into delta x. Now you have to find delta v here, approximate value. So that dv over dx, that is 3x square, 3x square. And what is delta x? Delta x is into 2 upon 100x. So when you simplify this, you will get, this is x cube, this is 6 upon 100, 6 upon 100 x cube, right? So this is the approximate change, that is 0.06 x cube meter cube, right? So this is the right answer, that is the approximate change in volume is 0.06 x cube, that is it is increased by 6% of the volume, right? So this is the right answer. Okay, next example number 25. If the radius of the sphere is measured as 9 centimeter with an error of 0.03 centimeter, find the approximate error in calculating the volume, right? Means you have to find delta V here, right? And what is given? Given means this is delta R is given. Delta R is given, that is 0.03 centimeter. And one more thing is given, that is its radius is 9 centimeter. So this is given. So as you know, the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Now let us differentiate it with respect to radius r. dv over dr is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 3r square. 3 is cancelled, so we have 4 pi r square. This is the value of dv over dr. Now we have to find delta v. As you know, delta v is approximately equal to dv over dr into delta r, right? So put the value dv over dr here, 4 pi r square. So this is 4 pi r square, and what is delta r here? It is given 0.03. Now put the value of r, that is 9. So we have approximate value, it is 4 pi 9 square into 0.03. When you simplify this, we get can simplify this, we get this is 9.72 pi and its unit is centimeter cube, right? So this is the approximate error in calculating the volume of sphere. So this is the answer, right?